ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Kidan hadu arusau hajar kendai spa asau Ngut kisamla kibla Ïakhun yak Eksamin Meghalaya Civil Service bala penlong dak Meghalaya Public Service Commission haka sautrik unai wing arjar apulai haka jinga kran bat ka Controller of Examination ka kong I1 khar kalia thu bah Shillong kinu Ïakhun yak ne Eksamin kilong khat nri hajar nyauspa nri Ngut kat bah Tura pat kilong prajar sispa nyopsan Ngut Shu ka kong wan khar kalia thu ba ka MPSC kan sapanmi yak result jongka prelim la kumnu hapo benai nopra mentau snem kat kum ka jinga thu jong kong wan khar ba ka jingla jongki pus MCS kilong live santali hakabala baha hapding jek benriu khasi jentia bat garu bat nakmenta ki we pat ki jek benriu.
Exams and MCS on the 4th November 2023. Artil hapo Shillong bat Tura. Hapo Shillong ni don Kiba ni registered Kiban appear kilong 16768, that means 16,768. Tura 8,175. They have a general studies government step belong for Vijayadukan R. Shillong Kiba appear kidai 8,696. Tura 4,751. Haka general studies aka bapalong minsingi RBJ du sao Shillong kiba appear kala dunakhndiak kalong 8,578 Tura 4,690. Shillong belong haki 19 centers haki schools and colleges ken to hapo Shillong kat kiba ngi yo ba kiba I permission yengi ken begin belong yani ke exams. Tura ngi belong 13 centers. Tura rukum jo kat kiba I permission yengi bangilaban conduct yani ke exams. Kene ke process jong ke exam since there are so many candidates, almost 26,000. They will have they minta ke prelims. They nang to ki candidates ngin hapshin kat kum ke ayu jong ke ratio jong ke commission ka blabo the nang to they'll have then ngin sa declare ke result jong ke prelims then can select ka mains take a mains can done the optional papers with some and few papers which are ki compulsory papers ke then after that then they will declare the result, then there will be a personal interview. Means 3 stages of exams: prelims, mains, and personal interview. We book a timeline by December. By December, they declare December. They most probably by maybe next year we'll conduct the mains. Mentangi done 35 posts. Okay, certain SOP jong ka commission. They mentangan ong UP set questions. They you also understand. Kadang kidan ki benta bangilaban share, kidan ki benta banginam laban share but fee. Di kum kini ki process these are niya kat kum ki SOP jong ka commission. No, this is a competitive exams. No, you kena prepare and naturally you can soak by em. Ti kena baklam prepare ke te mental ladang isu shim ka ba ong ki kena te it's not right kanya tharai prove no ne finship mi ki allegations community kamla manlong te fi be piete ya ta te ladang fi ong but done something behind you bring all that bring it to the notice of the commission, to the notice of the government, then we'll see what we have to do. RTI is there, they can always apply, then they can always seek kilapan pani ki evaluated एक OMR sheet junkie with answer keys. Ni ai kita berokai after the declaration of the result. Kemang ong yefing dan 35 vacant posts. The unreserved 5 posts, Garo category 14 posts, Khasi and Jaintia 14 posts, other ST 2 posts. Total 35 posts.